Good morning. I think it's day 5 of our truck build. I'm actually losing count. I was awake till like 2:30 in the morning thinking of ideas and things for the truck. I've got to that stage now. But this morning, first priority for me is to put the second coat on what is now known as Candy's big black box. And then I think Tom's going to get some Apple CarPlay units and things. But there's the big black box. Get my second coat up on that. Oh, it's a little bit damp this morning. And go from there. And then tomorrow we're off on a bit of a trip. We've got to take Ali back to the Brisbane airport. So on the way we'll be picking up a toolbox for the batteries, solar panels, some water tanks, and some beautiful spotted gum for the flooring and bench tops. So that'll be tomorrow. But today, first priority, the continuation of painting the big black box. So the big black box has officially had its second coat of paint. I'll spin the camera around. She is black like my little pagan heart, and I like it. I think it's a Rolling Stones song about painting things black. That must be what I'm channeling. Around the front, I think Tom's doing some work on the Apple CarPlay kit, so let's go check that out. Won't let you use. Well, there's no Wi-Fi either. Is there? The phone services, dear.
Yeah, that's working, but that's as low as it goes. But
that's loud enough, isn't it?
you can't. See, like these are the only two bits that hold it.
Oh, and there goes something else I just heard go down there.
I just think I'll have to put a couple in that plastic. See if this is long enough. What are you doing?
Taping you, because you were just swearing at people. Swearing at the dash. You should get in there, you cunt. Oh, look at that.
Right.
You didn't grab.
Go in for
You missed.